That's how much we've got, Dad, everyone. There's the I-10. Oh yes! Life is good on a 1968 Norton Commando. Oh God, I love this bike. Watch out for squirrels. She run across it last time. So yeah, this could be the last time I come down one of my favourite roads on the 1968 Norton Commando. Oh, I'll miss her, everyone. I shall miss her. That's 60. That's how much we've got, Dad, everyone. There's the I-10. Oh yes! Life is good on a 1968 Norton Commando. Oh God, I love this bike. I could just ride it like I'm on the ex-Isleman TT 675 Daytona that I used to have. Yeah, I'd say like this. Oh, Dad's caught up, everyone. So I'd say like a 650 SS feels like a super sports, which basically what it was. It was a sports special. It was the first super sport in 1960s. This feels like a super bike, that extra bit of power, but matched with the smoothness with the icy elastics. And you think, everyone, I'm only using that. You know, you got the rest of the rev range to go once it's fully run in. It's going to be like an absolute bancher, a rocket, because it's fast now. That's the thing. It's great. Yeah, smooth as well, which is nice. I'm really impressed with that icy elastic system. Been pulled up for a bit, everyone. Yeah, she's looking good. Just having a bit of a break with Dad. Like go for a heat cycle again. It's always a good idea.
I'll come to look at the sheet.
And there is none, as you can see.
That's full over there.
And there was backfield, aren't there? So yeah, probably potentially last ride on the 1968 Norton Commando. A few people come on fairly interested now from down south, all looking into vans and stuff, so yeah, we'll see what happens. Thought I'd get out on her, and next ride will be on the 650 SS. Yep, all's good. So yeah, potentially last ride on the 68. I'm gonna miss her, everyone. I am gonna miss her.